Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. In today's video, we will show you how to reinstall the U channels, should your Humax Freesat receiver not being able to receive them. When these U channels changed transmission parameters earlier in the year, from DVB-S to DVB-S2, most Freesat receivers automatically updated. But some Humax Freesat receivers did not. So today, we will show you how you reinstate these U channels onto your Humax Freesat receiver. To start, press the Freesat menu button on your remote control and navigate to Settings. On the Settings page, scroll right to More, and you will see the Freesat Channels option. Press OK to enter this option. If prompted, input your PIN, usually 4 zeros, if you did not change it to something else. Ensure Channel Search is selected and go right to Next and press OK. The Humax Freesat receiver will then start the channel search wizard, checking the Freesat signal, and confirming your UK postcode to regionalize BBC, ITV, and Channel 4 regions. The Humax Freesat receiver will perform a channel search and add the new parameters for the missing U channels. Save channels, and your U channels should be now available to watch. If the U channels continue to show a no signal message, then this may mean that your satellite dish is not aligned correctly, or your satellite dish is too small to receive those signals where you are located, or your LNB needs realigning or replacing. If this is the case, then seek further advice from a local satellite engineer. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, making sure that you turn on notifications, so you don't miss out on any future releases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.